Hello everyone. The question now is how to add a single column to an existing data frame. To answer this question, let's load a data frame that we already have on our hard disk. So we import Pandas library and we name this data frame as table. It's gonna be read CSV and the directory of that file is gonna be here. If we print this table, uh, so this table is, let's say, the number of rainy days in the town per month and per year. If you notice, you can see that we have the data for every month except for the month of May. So January, February, March, April, May is missing, and we have every other month up until December. So we want to add the data for the month of May. So in this case, there are different ways to do that. Here I'm trying to give you the simplest solution that I could find. So you could say table of May in this case is going to be, so we need to provide five numbers for five different years, and it's gonna be in order. So for the year of 2018, let's do 4 and then 5 and then 6, 7 and 8 and uh, it's already 5. That's good. So if we do that and we print this table again, we can see that data for the month of May is added at the end of data frame. This is good. This is what we wanted. We wanted to add this column to this data frame and we did it. Now you might wanna reorder the column orders in order to have every month in order. Like we want to change the place of this column and bring it after April. So there is again different ways to do that. What I like to do is, in this case, is like you could say table is equal to table of, and you could here provide the the month names in order. So we have January, February, March, April, May, uh, June, July, August, September, October, and finally December. So by doing that, you can get all your columns in the order that you just specified. So here we have January, February, March, April, May is in place. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Thank you so much for watching.